My name is Samina Zaidi and today I am going to show you how to make plain potato cutlets and ground beef stuffed cutlets. These are perfect served as an appetizer, as a tea time snack or as a side dish with boiled rice and lentils. I hope you will like it and try it. Stuffed potato cutlets and plain potato cutlets. Boiled potatoes, all-purpose flour, breadcrumbs, eggs, cooked ground beef, roasted ground cumin, red chili flakes, red chili powder, salt, chopped cilantro, chopped de-seeded green chilies, chaat masala. Mash the potatoes with masher. Until there are no lumps. Now add spices, salt, red chili powder, red chili flakes, roasted ground cumin, chaat masala, chopped de-seeded green chilies, chopped cilantro. Mix well. Make sure everything is combined well. If, if making for kids, add green bell pepper instead of green chilies. Now the mixture is ready to prepare the patties. Breadcrumbs, cooked ground beef, beaten egg, all-purpose flour. For stuffed cutlet, now apply some oil on your palm. To create the cutlet, you need to first take a little bit of mashed potatoes, create the shape of a small bowl. Put about 2 teaspoon filling in the center. I used ground beef. If you want, you can use ground chicken or ground lamb. Use less filling, then pull the sides of the potato together to form a ball. Now press it slightly to give a flat patty. Or shaping it as you wish. Plain potato cutlets. Apply oil on your palm. Shape the mixture into round or oblong cutlets. I made oblong shaped cutlets to differentiate between stuffed cutlets and plain potato cutlets. Set aside all the cutlets. To prepare the cutlets better, first toss each cutlet with all-purpose flour to coat. Shake off any extra flour. Same procedure for the plain potato cutlets. Roll each cutlet in all-purpose flour on both sides. Shake off any extra flour. Then transfer cutlet to beaten egg. Finally, move to breadcrumbs. And press the breadcrumbs on the cutlet so they have a good crust. Same method for the plain potato cutlets. Dip in the beaten egg. And finally move to breadcrumbs. And press the breadcrumbs on the cutlet so they have a good crust. Repeat doing this for all the cutlets and place them on a plate. After giving the shape to cutlets, keep them in the freezer for overnight. Take out from the freezer, heat the oil and shallow fry the cutlets. Fry a few cutlets at a time. Flip the cutlets to the other side and fry until both sides should be golden brown. They are crispy from outside and soft from inside. So take them out and drain over kitchen paper to excess oil. Delicious cutlets are ready to serve. Serve hot with tomato ketchup, stuffed cutlets, serve with tomato ketchup, green chutney, tamarind chutney. Enjoy with your family and friends. Thank you for watching.